Rains have lashed several parts of India, bringing respite from extreme heat. Heavy rains in Himachal Pradesh has led to massive flooding. In Himachal's Kullu, many vehicles were swept away and piled one on the other in gushing torrent of water. Many vehicles were damaged beyond repair. National Highway 3 in Mandi has been closed due to flash floods. IMD has issued flash flood risk warning for Himachal Pradesh. Moderate to high risk is expected in tourist hotspots of Chamba, Kangra, Kullu, Shimla, Sirmaur and Mandi districts in Himachal Pradesh. Meanwhile, Uttarakhand has also been facing problems due to excessive rains. Landslides have been reported from holy site of Badrinath. Cranes are being used to remove the debris. Kedarnath Yatra has also been stopped for the safety of the pilgrims. With heavy rainfall comes the problem of waterlogging. Incessant downpour has led to heavy waterlogging and a flood-like situation on multiple stretches and areas in Gujarat, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh.
इस अंडरपास का राज ये है कि जब भी बरसात आती है, थोड़ी सी बरसात आते ही अंडरपास पानी से भर जाता है लबालब। 4 पंप हाउस लगाए हुए हैं, ये वर्किंग में नहीं है, इनको चालू कराना चाहिए। प्रशासन को PWD का ये काम है, उसको उचित कार्य करना चाहिए।
इतना पानी भरा ही नहीं, 2 घंटे की बारिश है और सब नाले बंद पड़े हैं कि बिल्कुल। आया कोई अधिकारी, कोई कर्मचारी, देखो क्या हाल है, कोई सब दुकानों में सब में पानी है।
Even Kolkata is facing monsoon fury. Monsoon has brought a respite from scorching heat but has also led to misery. Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.